Now from this position, this is east, west, north, south.
Yeah.
The initial region there N is north. The other side S is equator. This white substance. So we move some few meters to the north. You see what will happen, and I will explain more about it. You come with me there. Now in China we call it pepancho. Pepancho. Yes?
Pepancho.
Yeah, pepancho. Now the use of the hole is to allow centrifugal force, which means it allows the movement or the rotation to take place. I'll pour the water to the brim. I'll put the light stick at the center. You'll notice the movement which is clockwise. So at the north it is clockwise. When we were in school, we were taught about Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Now at the northern part, we are at the Tropic of Cancer, which is at the northern hemisphere. Examples given at the northern part of the hemisphere. The coiling plants like beans, being planted at the north, it goes in a clockwise.
Clockwise, yeah.
The flushing of the toilet or the sink. After washing the utensils, you plug the lid to drain the water.
Yeah.
So when it goes clockwise, you are at the northern part.
Path, yeah.
The hair. People born at the northern part of the hemisphere, if they comb their hair, it does not stand still. The grains of the hair goes in a clockwise manner.
Yes.
The cyclone's wind, the devil's dust wind. In our language, we call it kipchurchurit. At the northern part, goes in a clockwise manner.
Yeah.
Now, we go to the apparatus. The use of the hole is to allow the centrifugal force, which means it allows the movement to take place. Now, I'll pour the water to the brim. Then I'll put the stick at the center. It's like a wall clock.
Yeah.
It moves in a clockwise.
Wow. You see? It's moving clockwise.
So the experiment is called Coriolis effect.
Yes.
Being discovered by an Italian by the name Gaspard Coriolis. So these are simple apparatus, but when you have the machine to measure the equator, which is the GPS, there's no need of this. You come with it to measure the equator is 0 degrees, the altitude and the feet itself. But these are simple apparatus. Now you go to the southern part, you finish at the equator line. Now at the southern part,
it's now it's now rotating in a different
direction. Now Nampancho. Now examples given at the northern part of the hemisphere. I hope you still remember.
Yeah.
Now we finish our experiment at the line at the equator. Then you see the difference.
Thank you.
Glad to see that. Interesting.
Yeah.
Okay, the office is closed. There is a certificate for crossing the equator, but the office is closed.
Thank you.
So
No problem.
Oh, it's an holiday today.
put it at the line.
Sorry.
Oh.
Wow, it's at the center.
It is the center.
The center.
The center.
The equator.
We call it buto in China. So at the 0 point.
Sorry, what do we call it in China?
Chida buto.
Putong.
Buto.
Yeah.
Putong.